गावखौ दाफुंनाय आरो बानजायनाय हाबाफारि खुंफुंदों जिदनाल नार्जारी आमालगामेटेड इंलिश स्कुला 24/5/2022 गसाइगाव। गावखौ माब्रै दाफुंनांगौ आरो फरायनाय बेलायाव मा फरायोब्ला मा जागोन आरो डक्टर आरो इन्जिनियार जानो थाखाय मा लामाजों थांनांगौ बे गासैबो आयदाखौ लानानै सांग्रांथि आरो फोरोंथाय होदों गसाइगाव महकुमानि सिङाव थानाय संकस दैमा सेरनि जिदनाल नार्जारी इंराजी फरायसालिया। बानजायगिरि महरै डक्टर बिहुं ब्रह्म लेङाइ बिबुंगोरा बिथाङा फैदों आरो गोथौ आरो गुन गोनां बोसोन होनानै फरायसाफोरखौ थुलुंगा होयो। गुन उत्सबजों लोब्बा लाखिनानै खुंफुंनाय जादों बे हाबाफारिखौ आरो जिदनाल नार्जारी इंराजी फरायसालिया सोरखारि नङाब्लाबो गुन फोरोंथाय हाबाफारि बानजायनायखौ नुनो मोन्दों।
Can you just tell about today's program?
Okay, today I was invited at Zidnal Narjanari Amalgamated English Medium School. It's in Janaguri, right?
Exactly.
Yeah. So I'm thankful to our principal sir and Prozo for inviting me. Actually, I came for Gunotchop, this evaluation duty at Antibari, and on my way, I came up here also. So this is about career counseling and guidance. It's a very much needed program in schools. If you talk about quality education, this Gunotchop and all it's going on, it's for quality enhancement. But in my understanding, if you talk about career building and career guidance, we need to have this kind of programs in our schools. Now, this is also important matter, like, how many students can understand the needs of this guidance. But as I have, come here for the second time, I've seen students are very enthusiastic. Faculty members in these schools are so talented, and they are very serious about imparting quality education to their students. So I am very happy today that many of the students asked questions like how they can become engineers, how can they get admission into IITs, how can they become, how can they crack competitive examinations, etc. See, they are in school, they are doing their secondary school. They don't know so many small things, and for them, small information is very informative. So I haven't said many great things here, but I have just motivated and informed them that how they can become engineers, how can they go for engineering courses in CITs, NITs, IITs, how they can become doctors or UPSC, the officers. So that's all. And many of them even asked some important questions about personalities, and that they enjoy it, I believe, and I also enjoy it. Thank you.
Sir, what would you want to do the youth to this generation to achieve their goals?
Repeat again, sir.
What would you like to say to the young generation?
All right. So see, I have already told in the lecture also that if you talk about intelligence, it is not about only IQ. This is about emotional quotients too. So here, in today's generation, the biggest challenge is about EQ. Our people are not much concerned about emotional quotients. So our young generations are emotionally not very, very sound. So I would rather say that from our families onwards, from our society, we should guide them properly, how we can train them emotionally, be more intelligent compared to, those IQs. So this is what I feel. If we want to have a very peaceful and better society, then we need students or young generations having with very sound EQ along with IQs.